I have come. Say, come on, stop with our jokes as a playmate. I can confidently say, if for nothing at all, Murtala was a true Muslim, always quoting the Quran, even on the floor of Parliament when he was debating, and ensuring that he translated it. I reflect the way and manner in which he will present his debates with facts and ensure that he quotes from the necessary references. I recall the fact that he is a person who accepts wherever he slipped. When even he was talking, he would quickly correct himself and make sure he says it as it is. The last time we sat together during a debate, I recall him saying National Democratic Party, and as colleagues tried to correct him, he quickly said, I am not a pot of knowledge. I come to learn and to be able to say it and do it as it is. So he quickly said National Democratic Congress. And he added, without forgetting where he is coming from, his humble beginnings, he said, I attended Kulukuli Primary with Honorable Haruna Idrisu. He is here. We laughed over his jokes. He was so much into duty, such that ever since I have known him for not less than 30 years, I have never witnessed a situation where he has not been readily available and where he will not apologize if even he was late. Your Excellency, the aura with which